Alright guys, how you guys doing? My name is Dave. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fully paint a whole house. Well, not the whole house, we're not painting the kitchen yet. As you can see, we have everything stored in here. And right here we're doing the living room and the upstairs hallway. Just a quick look. Alright, so we're also doing the floors. That's the next project in here. So we are not covering the floors. So we got all this, we took all the plates off. That's one thing you want to do, just come in. If you are not doing the floors, come in, take everything off, you know what I mean? Cover the floors, make sure everything is correctly covered. Like you want to start, if you have, in this case, we have carpet, so you got to use plastic covers, and just tuck it in under the trim. And if you have hardwood floors, you'll just first put tape all around the trims, and then put the tarp, whatever you have, right on top. And here we're doing doors, we're doing trims, crown molding, we painting everything, ceiling. So right now we have an orange. It's like as you can see, I don't know, but they have like a orange, a light orange, and then a dark orange. You can see they're kind of like mixed together here. We did the last shot. It was supposed to be all this right here, supposed to be that light color, and then back here, this whole wall supposed to be the dark orange. You can see a little bit better. So we have the primer ready to go right here. We have the Sherwin-Williams Pre-Write Pro Block 7 paint. We have the regular paint, which is cool gray. And then right there we have the emerald for the trims and doors. I'll show you guys upstairs. So you make sure you take everything off, including that. We're gonna get this painted at a later time. This is getting painted. You see, spackle everything up before you apply the primer. This right here. Laundry room also getting painted with the same cool gray. We changing the floors. New lights getting installed in here as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much like step one, just getting everything off the walls, paintings, TVs, whatever. Getting everything off the walls. Then, well, step one really covering your floors, covering furniture or whatever. In this case, not too much to cover here, so that's it's a plus. And then you start to do the spackling, taking dust off the trims, the doors, the corners, and then you start edging off everything. Right now we are in the priming state. So, I mean, this is my second day. I took this job. I had a couple other jobs to do, so I'm working like 4 hours a day. Friday, I'll be working here all day, and Saturday, I'll be able to do a whole lot. Might be able to get started on the doors. Today, we got a little bit left priming to do. We took care of all the patches. There wasn't too many. Working over here is basically all we got left right here. Show you guys downstairs. Pretty much, I'm just trying to cover most of the orange. I'm not doing 2 coats of priming. All right, now we have the house fully primed. We getting started on the doors. So far, we knocked that door out. We etched the entire ceiling today. We doing ceilings, doors, and trims. So I don't really etch the whole entire ceiling right here. Working my way up now. I just did all around here, all around the edges right here. Now it's time to go up there. Then come back downstairs, we do the edges, and then start rolling out the ceiling. All right, we now have the entire ceiling done. It looked 10 times better. Got rid of all the stains that was on the ceiling. Things look 10 times better. We did all the doors down here. That's one door right there. I think it's roughly 5 doors down here. We still gotta do the doors upstairs. We gotta go over this one more time. All of those things, window sills, everything. It's looking 10 times better now. Last crew, I don't know what type of paint they use, but it's a lot of patches on the floor. I did one go with this ceiling paint. It looks great. For here, for steps, you're gonna need a multi-purpose ladder. Probably the biggest one you can get. I got a decent size one, and I still got it done up there. But if you get a bigger multi-purpose ladder or some type of step scaffolding, will make it way easier. And we're officially all done. We did every closet, the doors. This is actually a cool gray, but it looks mostly white, but it's actually a cool gray. Down here, we're doing the entire floor, so as you can see, it's paint all over the place.